Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we will show you how I can skip blocking rules for the draft or invoice orders in Shopify. For demonstration, let's create a rule. If a customer adds the Snow Bear product with a total amount of $500, the order will be blocked. We can see at checkout that it's currently blocked and an error message is displayed because more than $500 of the Snow Bear product is added. Now we will see how to skip blocking rules for draft or invoice orders for the same product. First, click on the Orders option in Shopify Admin, then click on Drafts. Then click on the Create Order button. After that, go to the Products section, click Browse, and add the Snow Bear product. Then go to the Customer section and add the customer to whom you want to send the invoice or draft order. While adding, make sure to select Personal Order. After that, click Send Invoice. Some options will appear here. You need to enable the Checkout Rules option. The purpose of checkout rules is to ignore all checkout rules, allowing the customer to complete the checkout, even if the order would normally be blocked by rules such as minimum/maximum amount, product quantity, or specific product rules. After that, click on Review Invoice, then click Send Invoice. The invoice will be sent to the customer's email automatically. Now let's check the email. As you can see, the invoice has already arrived. Open the email and click Confirm Purchase. This will take you directly to our checkout page. Now we can see that the error message is no longer showing, even though the product and amount are the same and over $500. This way, you can create skip blocking rules for draft or invoice orders. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!